What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing an awesome tutorial on two of my favorite products by Davines. Here I have the Texturizing Spray, and then I also have the Shimmery Mist. So my hair is not prepped, which I'm about to do, so that way we can, or at least I can show you how these two fun products are and why they are my fave. So let's go ahead and see what these fun products are all about. Here I have three products by Davines. I have the Strong Hairspray along with the Texturizing and the Shimmering Mist. Then over here I have my detangling brush. And then here I have the 1.5 barrel in the Babyless curling iron along with just a few clips. And I'm going to be using these products today. We're going to be doing a review on them and see how they work. And I'm going to be using these tools in my videos. So let's go ahead and jump on it and see what it's all about. I went ahead and did this fun tutorial with y'all just so that way y'all have a fun idea of some great new products that y'all probably haven't tried, or maybe you're looking for something new to try. These are some of my favorites and something that I definitely think that y'all should have in y'all's cabinets along with y'all's other beauty essentials. Again, I only used three products in today's video and they were all by Davines. It was the Strong Hairspray, the Texturing, and the Shimmering Mist. Went ahead and used that hairspray as I went through and curled my hair so that way my curls will have a strong hold throughout the time and last a long time. I went in through with the Texturing Spray after everything was set, before I brushed them out, sprayed that in really well. I went ahead and brushed them out with my detangling brush. Went in with my Shimmering Mist to get that velvety look and shine and to fight that frizz. Wonders. I highly recommend these products for y'all if y'all haven't tried them, and this is something that I just love and I think that it's very great. So let me go over through these three products that I used again. So I had started off with the Strong Hairspray, and just so you know, on the back it does tell you the least to the strongest. It'll have it marked. So with this having all the little red dots across, it is the strongest. Definitely take a look at that if you're not looking for something too strong, or maybe you want more of a flexible hold. That'll let you know in the back of the bottles, and it has it on every product that they have for Davines, except for the Oi all-in-one milk, I believe. But just check it out and you'll see. So like even with the Shimmery Mist, it's light, so it has no red dots in there. So this is the Frizz Fighter. It's gonna leave it very shiny and have that velvety look. It's awesome, guys. As you can see in my hair, it looks so nice. I haven't put an oil in or anything, and it just looks flawless. I love it, and my curls will last for about a good week. I may have to touch it up every other few days, but for the most part, I like the messy beach wave, and if you like the same, these are gonna be great products for you. So, and then I also use my texturing spray. This is the stuff that's gonna leave it very textured, more defined hold, very movable at the body. Those are the really top 3 products that I really love when styling your hair. So if you need to put oil in your hair, you can do that. I didn't, just so that way you can see in this video how it looks and how it just did so well with my hair with just those 3 products. Alright, so I went ahead and put just a little bit of oil. I use literally just a dab of that oil to kind of relieve it, and there you go. So ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't tried Davines, or if you're maybe thinking about it, the prices are pretty decent. The quality is very great. I love the way it smells. It's not strong, it's very lightweight, and their stuff is really nice. So I highly recommend them, and I have extensions, of course. I tell you that every video. So I mean, if it works on extensions, it's gonna do the wonders for you. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I will be happy to answer them for you all. And again, guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was very helpful. And like I said, if you have any questions or want to see something else, please comment down below. I will be happy to answer. Please remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed it. And remember, guys, to subscribe to get the notifications for more videos to come. See you next video. Take care.